Hello, Tom Triumph here. Hey, I want to tell you about something that may be of real interest to you or perhaps somebody you know. So on September 17th, 18th, and 19th, I am part of something called the Selma Art Experience, and I'm inviting you to attend. Now, this is designed for beginners and advanced artists, and more importantly, it's designed for anybody who is interested in developing their creativity. It's a rare, exclusive, and safe 2.5 days of workshops with several recognized professional artists whose work has been exhibited throughout the United States and internationally. But you do not need to be an artist to attend. Again, it's for anybody interested in developing their creativity. But what a unique opportunity this is. There are several amazing artists there, friends of mine who have exhibited, as I said, throughout the United States and internationally. There's going to be a private tour for us of all the sites in Selma, location of the infamous Edmund Pettus Bridge. We're going to be having lunches and dinners together. It's going to be a fun and intense and wonderful and memorable 2.5 days. I'll include a brochure in the comments below. If you have any interest or any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for listening, and I do hope you'll consider attending the Selma Art Experience. Even if you're not an artist, for anybody that wants to be creative, it's going to be great. Thanks.